registration video. Welcome to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli registration process. This video will guide you step by step on how to fill in the registration form. First, go to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli website by typing nammaschool.tnschools.gov.in in your browser search bar. Click on the Sign Up option at the top of the page. If you're an NPO, click the NPO option in the given list. Enter the name of the organization as per official records. Provide your Darpan ID correctly in the space given. Enter the complete address of the organization. Select the organization type from the drop-down menu. Enter the official phone number of the organization. Provide the official email ID for all communication related to NSNOP. Enter the PAN number of the NPO carefully. Provide the name of the designated contact person. Enter the phone number of the designated contact person. Select how you came to know about NSNOP. You may choose from Google, social media, alumni team, SMC team, NSNOP team, headmaster, government officials, events, newspaper, word of mouth, or SEIAA/SEAC. Next, click on the Send OTP option. Enter the OTP you receive on your phone. Provide your consent by clicking the checkbox. Finally, click on the Register button to complete your registration. Review all the information entered carefully before submitting the form. Thank you for registering and supporting the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli initiative. If you encounter any issues during registration, don't hesitate to contact us using the contact details displayed on your screen. Namma School at tnschools.gov.in or 044 2999 4215 or +91 63853 13047.